We're having our Pinal County job fair. Having it out here at Central Arizona College, we definitely wanted to make sure we connect with the students here. They're getting ready to graduate. And then also people out in the surrounding areas in Coolidge, Casa Grande, Florence, Santan. So we reached out to all those different areas and Maricopa as well. I'm hoping that we could reach those job seekers that are looking for a different career. We have 38 employers here today from different industries, and we're hoping that we have a good 200 to 300 job seekers show up today. Benefit to those coming is that they get an opportunity to meet one-to-one with the employers that they're hoping to get hired from. And then for employers, hopefully they'll be able to connect with those job seekers that they're looking to fill their positions as well. Here at Arizona at Work, not only do we do job fairs, hiring events, we also have services available to job seekers for training opportunities. So anyone looking to get a certificate in like HVAC, welding, healthcare, just come see us. I'm tired at the end of the day, but I'm just really excited, and just to see everyone come out and just the networking that goes on, you know, between businesses as well. So yeah, it makes me happy.